Hello everyone, my name is Leka Jane Esperonce Parajang, 17 years of age, grade 12 student under General Academic Strand in La Mesa National High School. And I am trying to introduce myself to you. I am highly motivated to individual with a passions for learning and growth, and also adaptable learner constantly seeking new challenges and expanding my knowledge base. I believe in the power of collaborations and I'm always open to diverse perspective and innovative idea. Born and raised in Matunog, Balamban, Cebu, I grew up surrounded by loving family and friends who instilled in me the values of hard work, kindness, and compassion. Throughout my childhood, I was fascinated by the world around me, always eager to explore new places, try new things, and meet new people. As I grew older, my interests and passion began to take shape. I developed a strong for love travel, culture, and communication, which has driven me to pursue a career in the aviation as a flight attendant. This tapestry of curiosity, ambition, and an engagement defines who I am. I am eager to continue weaving this tapestry, embracing new experiences, and making a lasting impact on the world around me. This is the self introductions in empowerment technology. Thank you.